all about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most trending topics right now. Before we show you some fascinating facts, this new sensation, it has been only a month since this is released, and it already creating massive interest among people. So what exactly is ChatGPT? Here is a quick introduction. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. ChatGPT combines cutting-edge technology with deep learning algorithms to create a terrific experience. It is revolutionizing the way individuals interact with their environment. The fact that this chatbot can do almost anything for you is rather unsettling. The ability of ChatGPT to generate college-level essays in response to a prompt and complex Python code is its most noticeable feature. This raises concerns about whether new technologies will displace professionals like programmers and journalists. Like other AI technologies, ChatGPT's other characteristics depend on the quality and quantity of the data it is trained on. ChatGPT has some shortcomings even if it might be a powerful tool. It may occasionally respond accurately to certain inquiries, especially those unrelated to its training data. Here are some facts about ChatGPT. Number 1. ChatGPT is built on OpenAI GPT-3 family of large language models. A vast amount of data was used to train it. It is fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. Number 2. Elon Musk found that OpenAI was training ChatGPT using Twitter's database, and he instantly put an end to the exercise. Since OpenAI is now non-profit and closed-sourced, it should someday be able to pay for this information. Number 3. ChatGPT can create text that appears human-like and engage users in conversation in a conversational manner. Number 4. ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, a global artificial intelligence research institute. Number 5. As an AI assistant, ChatGPT can be utilized in conjunction with other AI technologies. It is not meant to take the role of a search engine or chatbot. Number 6. ChatGPT is a flexible tool that can be utilized for various tasks, including content creation and customer service. Number 7. ChatGPT is very scalable and may be modified to handle other knowledge domains or execute specialized tasks, job security threats. Number 8. The Transformer architecture is the foundation of ChatGPT. This makes ChatGPT more effective than other language models in processing lengthy sequences and producing text. Number 9. DALL-E was created by the same company. It creates art from virtually any natural language description using artificial intelligence and machine learning. Number 10. ChatGPT can make it easier for you to build code for apps and websites. It can swiftly resolve challenging coding problems. There are worries that AI chatbots will surpass or undervalue human intelligence. For instance, the chatbot may eliminate the need for a human writer by efficiently and swiftly composing an article on any topic. Additionally, the chatbot makes it easier for students to cheat or bypass learning how to write properly because it can swiftly and accurately compose a full essay. What do you think about ChatGPT? Please let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.